Hi, Miss Regalado. So I have systems both online and hard copies. So I found that I didn't like using an online planner. So I have my own planner at home that I write in, and I basically just uploaded everything like you know the like I just uploaded what was in my planner that day with the pictures, and then what I do is in the planner I highlight the homework and use sticky notes just as an extra reminder as to what to do, and then I cross them out as I finish like each assignment. And then I have a AVID binder here as well. I have an A-Day and a B-Day binder for like I put like notes or like handouts or anything that I print out in that binder that I can't put in the online binder because there's a lot going on and I can't put like all the like I don't have really have a lot of time to upload like all the stuff I do into the Avid binder. But I do have an online ad binder, an e-binder as well. And most of the stuff I put in here is for like Avid English and maybe some AP Human stuff. So like for English, I have like basically all the examples she has us do for like the lit circles and like the handouts and like basically like the stories she has us read and like my annotations. So that's basically all I have in my English folder. So like the lady with the toy dog, I have my annotations in here. Hold on, it's loading. But like I printed it out so that I could read it because I don't like reading stuff online. It's just I don't like it. And so I have, my annotations here. I also have in here like the different assignments we have, or like one of the major things is the how to read literature charts. That's an important one of the most important notes I have in here. For math, I don't really have anything in here for math unless it's like handouts or anything. Um, so I do have like these notes and like the systems of equation tests that I took because I had difficult time uploading it, so I just put it here. But most of my notes I have in my my journal. So I keep a journal for most of my classes, and I just basically take notes in them. But like what I do is I put my homework, my notes that she gives us, because she gives us a packet of notes that we're supposed to like write in, and so I just put them all in there. So like most of my algebra 2 stuff is in that journal. Um, for my hold on. For Avid, I take Cornell notes on paper and I basically put them in my binder, the my actual binder, and then I do have like some of the classwork we did in Avid, so like the TRFs and like the speaker questions. I have like all of the stuff we did in here. And then for my other classes, I use one of the classes I use the most, Cornell notes in is AP Human because I just feel like the Cornell notes fit with that class because there's like a lot of, titles and then subtitles and then like stuff underneath that. So I feel like it's just easier to do that. And I use like different colors and highlight them so that it's easier so when I go back and study it, like I can know what's under what, or like if that makes any sense. And but like for my Spanish um, journal and my AP Human journal, I have basically all the chapters labeled so that when I go back and I need to like, if I need help on like a certain chapter, I'll know where to look because I really didn't know how much I was gonna put in the journal, so I didn't really create a table of contents. So I just found it easier to just put like tabs on the side. So that's basically it. Bye.